Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to track inventory in Shopify so you always know how much stock you have and avoid selling products you don't have on hand. First, in your Shopify admin, go to products and select the product you want to track. In the inventory section, check the box labeled track quantity. This tells Shopify to keep count of how many items you have in stock. Enter the current quantity you have on hand. If you want Shopify to stop selling the product when it runs out, make sure to check continue selling when out of stock. Should be off so customers can't order sold out items. If you manage inventory access across multiple locations, you'll see separate quantities for each location. Adjust each one to keep your stock levels accurate. For products with variants like sizes or colors, you'll find inventory settings under each variant. Just click the variant to set individual stock counts. Shopify will automatically update inventory levels when orders are placed or items are restocked, so you don't have to track it manually. Thanks for watching. If this helped you set up inventory tracking, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Shopify tutorials to grow your store.